Alright, let's talk about something that could totally change the way we think about batteries. And no, I'm not talking about the battery in your phone dying in the middle of the day, though trust me, I feel your pain there. I'm talking about quantum batteries. Yeah, that's right, batteries powered by the mind-bending rules of quantum mechanics. So, what's the big deal with quantum batteries? Unlike regular batteries, they use things like quantum entanglement and superposition. In plain English, that means they promise to charge way faster and store more energy, if we can get them to work right. But there's been one major problem: self-discharging. Imagine plugging in your battery, filling it up, and then, poof, it just leaks energy all by itself, even when you're not using it. That's been the Achilles heel for quantum batteries. But here's where things get really exciting. Researchers from Hubei University and a few other top institutions just published a breakthrough they've come up with a brand new way to fight self-discharging, and it's got the quantum community buzzing. Here's the secret sauce. They use something called a nitrogen vacancy center in diamond. Think of it like a tiny defect inside a diamond where the battery's energy gets stored in the spin of an electron. The genius move? They harnessed a special interaction between the electron and the nitrogen-14 nucleus nearby. This hyperfine interaction lets them fine-tune exactly how much of the battery's energy stays coherent. That's the part you can actually use. By tweaking this balance, they found a way to keep the useful energy from leaking out, no external charger needed. That's a big deal, because earlier fixes often made you plug in another quantum device, which actually drained away some of the battery's usable juice. Not so here. The energy stuck around longer, and you could squeeze even more work out of the battery, but they're not stopping there. The team's already talking about building a many-body quantum battery, basically scaling this tech up so it's even more powerful and immune to self-discharging. Imagine batteries that charge in seconds, power your gadgets for ages, and barely lose any energy over time. We're still a few steps away from seeing these quantum batteries in our everyday lives, but this breakthrough is a huge leap forward. It's not just a cool science experiment, it's a real step toward the future of energy storage. So, stay tuned, because the quantum battery revolution is just getting started. If you found this mind-blowing, hit that like button and let me know what you'd power with a quantum battery in the comments. See you in the next one.